Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to our channel and welcome to another video where in today's one we're taking a look at Zapier. I'll be showing you guys how can you customize your zaps and essentially how can you add action onto your zap. So let's jump right into it. First of all, open up Zap on your or open up Zapier on your preferred device and enter one of your zaps that you're ready to customize. Down here to add your first action, you will click on the action figure right here. Select the app or flow controls, any product that you'd like, for example, Gmail right here. And this is how you create an action. The action, of course, needs its trigger. So, for example, if you want to code it, you can do it. Chatbot, anything you need to do or you want to do, you can connect it as a trigger. So essentially, this is how you will be working on it. Then choose an action event and I'll leave this up to you to customize. However, that is how you add an action onto your trigger. So thank you very much for watching. If you found that it's helpful, leave it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.